Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change or lower the video quality in your videos in Prime Video or Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. Firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a video. I'm going to just play The Boys season 4 episode 1, and then what you're going to want to do once you're in your playback screen, you can pause it, play it, do whatever you want, but in the top right, as you can see, you have this option button over here. You just click on that, and the only options you have are the video quality. You can select good, better, or best, and as you can see under either of them or under each of them, you can see the amount of data it uses per hour, with good using 0.38 gigabytes and best using up to 6.84 gigabytes per hour. And that is pretty much it. The process differs on different devices. I only have this on PC. I don't have the mobile app, but on the mobile app it's pretty similar. You just have to go into your settings. You have the My Stuff tab. You just go into there, locate your settings, which look like that gear icon over in the top right, and then once you're there, you can set up your video quality from there. And that's pretty much it. For other devices such as Fire TV or other sort of Roku devices, I honestly don't know, and I don't want to show you guys just so that I don't confuse you any further. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.